Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're gonna remove the exhaust manifold. This is where the turbo mounts to, and then you got the whole turbo and then the turbo downpipes, stuff like that. So number 12 is what we need. I haven't soaked these bolts in anything. As you can see, they're still crudted and everything like that. So the question is, can I remove them with my Earthquake XT? So one down. Wow, this is fairly easy, actually.
Because they're coming out of the head.
Wow. Wow. Okay. That's an interesting one. So you hang it on this one. So let's see, I'm gonna have to lightly put it on there. So that's new. This is the same idea. So one thing's for sure, get yourself one of these or something like it and go to town. It's gonna make it a lot easier for you. One more bolt. You know what they say, don't ever force anything, and I'm forcing it. Well, you know, just like Mason says, you gotta beat it into submission. All right, so we got it out. Seems like we have a good seal. Does anybody want to buy this seal? Still really good. Probably worth a couple bucks. So anyways, we have the exhaust manifold, guys. I'm gonna be sticking this thing on eBay. If anybody wants it, you could look at the link in the description below if I got this thing listed. Anyways, that is it. There's nothing to it. So on the inside you got these holes for the exhaust. Seems like no bird feathers in here, so it's good. Anyways guys, if you want this head, let me know in the description below. I'm willing to sell this head. I already pulled out all the glow plugs out of it, so no headache with those. So anyways guys, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and see you in my next video.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.